Once again, good morning, my dear students. Hope that you are all fine. Today we will read chapter 2. The title is Cellular Organizations of Plants and Animals. We will read lesson 1 and 2 today. And today we will try to draw a plant cell and an animal cell, and we will discuss the description of a plant cell, and we will compare uh, the plant cell and the animal cell, and we will make difference between these two cells. Okay. In natural environment, we can observe many similarities and dissimilarities amongst various plants and animals, irrespective of their size, structure, and activities. The main similarity is that the bodies of the organisms are composed of cells. For last few centuries, scientists made many research works on structure, shape, nature, and other areas of organization. Structure of all cells of one single organism is not similar, rather different. We shall discuss cell structure, but all organelles described in the following pages, that means in this chapter, are not found in a single cell. So, one cell is reconstructed with all the organelles in it, which are found in various cells. The idea scientists got about a cell from compound light microscope was confirmed and elaborated when electron microscope was invented. This is in this context discussion on a typical cell is being initiated. Okay, today we will see how to draw and label drawings of a plant and animal cell. We can see a video about that, how we can uh, draw the plant cell first and then an animal cell. Okay. Body of all organism is composed of one or more cells. A typical plant cell comprises of two parts. One is cell wall and another is protoplasm. Cell wall. Cell wall, in plant cell, there is a hard and thick non-living wall which is called cell wall. It is composed of cellulose. Animal cells do not have this cell wall. It is covered with a thin membrane in animal cell, and it is called plasma membrane. And the main function of cell wall is to protect the living parts of the cell and delimiting the boundary of the cell. That means this is called cell wall, and this is the inner side of cell wall is called protoplasm. Okay, now protoplasm. This is a huge vacuole in the protoplasm in a plant cell. Protoplasm is semi-solid, jelly-like, sticky and granular living substance. Signs of life are emerged due to various reactions within this protoplasm. It is composed of various organic and inorganic substances. The water constitutes the 67% to 90% of the protoplasm. Protoplasm contains cytoplasm and nucleus. This is nucleus, and this is cytoplasm. The organelles are in the arranged in the cytoplasm. Organelles may be mitochondria, cytoplasmic matrix, endoplasmic reticulum, and chloroplast, Golgi body, etc. Chloroplast is the main organelles of a plant cell, because a plant cell can make their own food by chloroplast. Okay, but in a plant cell we can see a thin membrane. This is called cell membrane. and nucleus is in the center, and these are some organelles of a plant cell, mitochondria and Golgi body also. And here all we can also see some small vacuole in plant cell, and here we can also see the lysosome, centriole, etc. Centriole usually is in a plant cell there is no centriole, and there is no chloroplast in a plant cell. But similarities are this is cell wall, this is cell membrane, this is a large vehicle, and this is a small vehicle, and there are also nucleus, cytoplasm. But a plant cell consists of chloroplast, and animal cell consists of centriole. These are all. And we can also see the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. Which things are common in the plant cell and the animal cell, and which things are not common in plant cell and the animal cell. Here we can see nucleus, both of the cells, cell membrane, this is called cell wall and this is cell membrane, and cytoplasm are common in between in two cells. Okay, and here in plant cell we can see a large vacuole, and in animal cell we can see small vacuole, and we can see chloroplast in plant cell, but we cannot see chloroplast in animal cells. But we can see centriole in animal cell, but we cannot see centriole. Usually, we cannot see centriole in a plant cell. Okay, now in our textbook, we can see the difference. We can see the two cells diagram. This is a plant cell and this is the typical animal cell. We can see the nucleus in a plant cell near the cell membrane because there is a huge vacuole. But in a plant cell, we can see the nucleus at the center of the cell. And we can see mitochondria, some mitochondria, and here also you can see mitochondria, lysosome, Golgi bodies, and Golgi bodies there also, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and thin plasma membrane and thick cell wall in the plant cell. Okay, and cell vacuole. Cellular living organelles and non-living substances are present in the cytoplasm. In plant cells, non-living substances include various reserve foods, excreted and secreted substances. In cytoplasm, there are large and small vacuoles full of liquid substances. It's called cell sac. These are called cell vacuoles. Usually animal cells do not have cell vacuoles, but in certain cells, when vacuoles are present, they are very small in size. In plant cells, large numbers of vacuoles are present and their sizes are comparatively large, and different organic acids, salts, carbohydrates, proteins, etc. are present in soluble form in vacuoles and make up cell sac. Okay, now your homework will be try to draw two cells and try to label the organelles of the cells and write down the difference between plant and animal cells and present in your homework copy. Okay, and this is all for today's class, and we will discuss in our next class lesson 3 to 5. Till then, stay safe, maintain strictly your safety rules from to protect yourself from COVID-19, and see you in our next class. Thank you for joining.